Okay, it's John Rudy here with Rudy Racing, and I'm just letting you know what's going on today. We completed the Wildcat tune-up, and it's running quite well, a lot better than it has. Here's what I found out what the problem was. This wire right here, the ground wire, yeah, it's supposed to be attached right there. Wasn't enough left to solder it, so I did purchase a new coil. Oh yeah, shop at Heat Alls, because that's where we got all